give you a little behind the scenes look, some of the things we do to these tractors. We strip these dudes down and go through them. We wash them all. We'll pull all the belly pans off. You can see this tractor's been washed. You hear everything clean in there. You can see everything's been washed. We'll pull them down, strip them. This tractor's getting brand new undercarriage. This is a 450G. We're actually a supplier for ITR America. We sell all their products. There's a set of rails for it. There's some teeth for another project. There's some pads there and sprockets. All that good stuff. We can get all kinds of things. Cutting edges, a lot of aftermarket parts, cylinder packing kits, all kinds of things like that. We've already done a service on this dozer. Changed the engine oil, fuel filters, transmission filter, transmission fluid, all that kind of good stuff. But hours and stuff on there, but you can see got everything cleaned up in there, so when you guys get something like this, say a hose breaks or something like that, you're in good shape and not fighting in a mess. This is another tractor, same thing. It just come in, got washed. The belly pans are all off of it. I don't know if you can see in there. This one's actually got a deposit on it. It's sold. It's had all the fluids changed, and filters, all that good stuff. This tractor here's got 550 hours on it, but I'll take you down here underneath. You can see we pull the belly pans off and all that good stuff, so we can get everything clean for you guys, and you can see up in there. But it's just something we do to every tractor, no matter what it is. It comes in, gets serviced, checked out. We've got a checklist we go through. This tractor got new batteries in it. Air conditioners charged, just normal stuff. We put a new, repacked this cylinder. It was just damp. It wasn't really leaking any oil, but something that was going to pop up. Anything we see, we try to foresee it's going to be a problem, we try to fix up. So, but we got a bunch of stuff going on. We got a 550J. We built a winch on that, new seals, new pump. A lot of low hour tractors. This 450G's got, I think, 3,500 hours or so on it. We've got an old TD15C, I think it's like an 81 model. It's actually got around 1,600 original hours on it. But something, I grew up running these a bunch. My dad bought one brand new, and we always had 2 or 3 around. But super good old tractors. This one come out of the Air Force. It's just a super clean original machine. It doesn't look like much now, but we'll get it all clean, change the fluids, filters, hoses. We'll strip that old nasty cab off there. It's still got the factory roll cage under there. These are all the factory International Harvester rails and stuff, and this stuff's all new shims and stuff in there. But it's kind of the before picture. It's something older. We usually don't mess with anything quite this old, but I grew up working on these and really good old tractors, and people still looking for them. Got a low hour 650H out here too. Come from the fire programs, LGP. We got to do some undercarriage stuff to that. It's got a V-blade on it. We get a lot of tractors with the fire plow on them and V-blade. That's something we'll take off. We've got a brand new C-frame from Paint Valley Equipment we'll stick on there. We got a used blade we'll rework and fix up. Just something else coming down the pipeline, but just want to give you guys a kind of insider of what goes on behind the shop, some of the things we do. It's always something different. I never know what I'm getting from one week to the next. The surplus stuff's kind of hit or miss. Anyway, I just want to give you guys a little sneak peek into what we do. We get a lot of different stuff, like say, It's we're always fighting lower hour stuff. It's not been used, so we're replacing seals, getting stuff freed up. It's been sitting, you know, it just normal kind of stuff. It's hard to put, you know, you can rebuild those older tractors a lot of hours on, but man, you just can't replace those hours having a nice new fresh tractor. You get one of these 500 or 600 hour tractors, you know, you can sit there and rebuild your 10 or 15,000 hour tractor, but there's just no comparison to have something new with low hours or something like that on it. Plus, a lot of this government stuff coming out, it's all pre-emissions yet, so you're not dealing with all the emission stuff. That's a big deal. All these 850 dozers we sell, they're pre-emissions, about the last group before all the stuff started going on. But you know, here's another 550J. I'd say we're working on the winch on. It's been serviced and everything, stripped, getting ready to get prettied up and painted. But anyway, that's just something we do to everything. Like I say, they all get service washed and checked out, so they're ready to go for you. But just want to give you guys a little inside look. Thank you.